Hello students, let us start with part 4 of chapter 1. Today's topic is mole concept and molar masses. Mole concept was also in class 9th chemistry syllabus. Hope so it will be somewhat familiar to you. Start with mole concept. 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon 12 isotopes. This number of entities or particles in 1 mole is so important that it is given a separate name and symbol known as Avogadro constant, and it is designated as Na, and Avogadro's number has a fixed value, that is 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to power 23. Now you have to keep in mind some important points so that it becomes easy to solve numerical problems. Number 1. In case of atomic substances, 1 mole is equal to gram atomic mass. Number 2. In case of molecular substances, 1 mole is equal to gram molecular mass. Number 3. In case of gases, 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Keep it in mind, it is used only when if the substance is a gas. Number 3. In case of ionic compounds, as it was done in case of formula mass. And now in case of mole concept, if you are dealing with ionic compounds, then 1 mole is equal to 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to 23 formula units of the compound. In the same way, it is equal to gram formula mass of the compound. And number 4, this formula of mole, it was used in class 9 also. All the examples and all the numericals were solved by using this formula. What is this formula? Mole is equal to mass of substance divided by molar mass. That is, mole is equal to mass upon molar mass. Now, numericals based on mole concept. I am trying to solve at least one numerical of one type in this video, but in fact you have to solve maximum numericals based upon mole concept so that it becomes an easy concept for you. Let us start with first numerical. Calculate the number of moles in. There are 3 examples. I have tried to take at least 3 examples. Example number 1 is, let us calculate the number of moles in 392 grams of sulfuric acid H2SO4. To calculate numericals of mole concept, you must be familiar with how to calculate molecular mass. For example, molecular mass of H2SO4, it will be, in case of hydrogen, atomic mass is 1. So, 2 multiply 1 plus, and in case of sulfur, atomic mass is 32, that is 32 plus, and in case of oxygen, atomic mass is 16. So it will be 4 multiply 6. Adding all these terms, it comes out to be 98 U. So 1 mole of sulfuric acid is equal to 98 gram. Why the term gram? Gram is used for gram molecular mass. 98 gram of H2SO4 will be equal to 1 mole of sulfuric acid, and you have to calculate in what? 392 gram of sulfuric acid. I hope now you can solve it easily and try to solve rest of the 2 numericals, that is part B and C also. No doubt in this video numerical number B and C are also solved. So Part B and C are quite visible to you all on the screen. You can easily now solve. Let us try to solve by yourself. And if there is any problem, then you can check on the screen also and try to solve now NCERT back exercise questions which are related to mole concept. That is question 1.10, 1.28, 1.30 and 1.33. But keep in mind, mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called its molar mass. Thank you.